At Manheim, we handle thousands of trucks every year. Every single one gets the same care and attention. First up, arrival and check-in, allocating your truck to your account. Then it's off to get cleaned and decals removed. A proper inside and out valet. No dirt, no decals, just a clean canvas so you can see the truck exactly as it is. No hidden dents, no surprises. Next stop, the inspection bay. Our team of truck specialists get hands-on, checking the cab, bodywork, tyres, the lot. If there's anything worth knowing, we'll log it. It's all about transparency. After that, our imaging crew step in. We capture high-quality photos and walk-around videos so you get a clear view wherever you're buying from. Everything's uploaded alongside inspection notes and specification breakdowns. Then comes sale day, and that's when the action really kicks off. Whether you're bidding online or in lane, our auctioneers bring the energy and keep the sale flowing. Once the hammer drops, it's over to our back office team. Payment, paperwork, compliance. It's all wrapped up quickly and securely. And just like that, the truck's off to its next job. Sold, seen, and supported by the Manheim team. It's what we do every day. From check-in to check-out, we deliver confidence, clarity, and a proper service every step of the way.